All right, good morning, everybody. Here is the first little video of my vintage Barbie collection that I am unboxing. The little exercise bike is missing the seat and the handlebars. And I seem to be missing the whole pulley type system that came with this, even though I know I didn't throw it out. I cleaned up the locker, as you can see, and that turned out pretty good. All the doors still open, and I love that there's this little vintage picture of Ken in there. The bottom locker door still opens, and in the big locker door, if I can get in here, has a little hook on it for a towel. When you turn this over, there is a mirror and a little exercise bar. I plan on replacing the mirror. The exercise bike needs some love. It's very dirty, but I will clean it up in the same way I did the locker. It has little pedals where the Barbie's feet can get stuck into. And I don't think I can do this with one hand, but when you turn the crank, you can see the little exercise kind of feedback on the display. It actually turns and moves as you pedal the bike. So this is pretty cool. I just wish I could find the pulley part that goes with it, because it was really cool. But I plan on restoring this in future videos. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, hit like, comment, and let me know what you guys think.